Hello, and welcome to my little overview of what I have created for you. Here is just a couple examples of the udon graphs that I have created here. So there's a single object here, and there is a grouped object over here with these 3 cubes. So within these other groups right here, they include this base and then an object that is the button for each one of these groups right here. So let's just jump into this single object udon graph. And so as we can see here, we have our interact, which is the little blue outline that shows up when we have a button within VRChat or Unity. So first things first, we can see here there is a udon behavior send custom network event. So there is another variant of this, but it's just a regular custom event, and that one only happens local, so it'll only happen for an individual player. With this send custom network event, that happens over the entire network so that everyone can see the action that the button is being triggered. So we trigger this event that is called toggle single, and same goes for this other one I have set up as toggle group, and then it just sets the activity of the object to either on or off, and then if it sees that it's off, then it'll turn it back on. And so what I will do is I will just show you an example of what the object will look like after we set all of this up. So we can see here, I'm just going to move myself over just a tiny bit, so we can see grouped is set on this button with this udon behavior. So these udon behaviors must be set on the object that we are wanting to make our button, and you need a collider with it set to is trigger so that it shows up as the button, or else it will not work. So once you have all of that set up, and you have the objects inside of, if you have multiple objects that you're wanting to turn on and off all at once together, you need one on that as well. So what we'll do is we'll just jump in and we will build and test, and I'll show you what it looks like when it works correctly. Alright, so here we are inside of this project that I created. We can see both of our different objects. So this is our single object, and when we interact with this button, you can see it turns it off. And then so this is also looking to see if this object is active or not, and if it's inactive, then it'll flip the state of the button. And same goes for this one. For the multiple objects, it will do the same thing. Well, yeah, so that is just a little example, and hope that you can use that for whichever project that you are working on. So if you have any further questions, you can feel free to message me on Discord. Thanks, and talk to you later.